So today I'll be showing you how to do a power shot in FC24. So this one includes 3 buttons which you have to press simultaneously. Just press them once and release. And these are your shot button, the one you use to shoot, together with R1 and L1 on your controller. Now this is using the classic configuration. Of course, if you've changed the configuration to something else, then make sure you take note of the buttons that you've changed and then press those buttons. But for the classic default configuration, here's what to do. So like I said, it's the shot button plus R1 and L1. So once you position your player, press the 3 buttons. That's going to align the shot and then you get your power shot. Okay, let's try again. Let's try one more time with a different player. You can see the player actually preparing for that power shot. There you go. It's another power shot. That one was off target. Let's score one more goal with the power shots. That was an awful corner. And that's how to take power shots, or how to power your shot in FC24. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.